In today's video, I'm going to give a review of Larry Benedict's excellent one ticker trader service, which is an options advisory service. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain how Larry's service works, how it's performing, but I'm also going to show you, if you join, you can get all of Larry's special reports absolutely free just for trying out his one ticker trader options advisory service. So what I'm going to do very quickly is just show you all of the special reports, just explain a little bit about them. So these are all the special reports you get with one ticker trader. They're really short, easy to read reports. They're anywhere between 6 to 9 pages long. And basically what each of these reports does is basically explain an opportunity. Then it gives you a stock that Larry is going to use to run his options trade. So they're really informative. Now, this one is the #1 retirement play in US energy. So basically Larry talks about how, with the AI boom, there's a huge opportunity to trade, sort of like energy companies. And Larry gives one of his favorite tickers that he uses to trade options on to generate, consistent, reliable income. You've got the gold multiplier. It sort of explains, reasons for the gold surge and the best strategy to play gold right now using options. And of course, he gives a stock and ticker in how he's going to do that. This is really interesting report. This is the AI hype spike calendar. This is basically telling you when AI stocks, namely Tesla and a few others, are going to spike. So basically, Larry can tell his members to place an options trade on an AI stock. This is great because AI stocks can be pretty volatile, but this basically tells you the dates when an AI hype spike or a spike in the share price, whether it's up or down, is likely to happen. So basically you can place an options trade. This basically explains, the volatility with AI AI stocks, and basically the best way to basically play them. So he's going to give you a stock to trade, an AI stock to consistently trade, options with. And then you got more as well. You got crypto hype spikes, so it shows you how to trade crypto using options. You got the Tesla glitch. It basically tells you, Larry explains why Tesla stock could be so volatile and gives you and shows you how to trade it, trade Tesla using options for consistent income. And you got all of these other reports as well. And obviously you got these base reports, Larry's guide to options, the mark, basically all of his different reports here. So you get all of these special reports completely free for just trying out Larry's one ticker, trading service. Now, Larry aims to give 1 to 2 trades a month. Could be more, could be less, depending on, market conditions. But basically what you're going to see, you're going to get 2 things with Larry's one ticker trader service. You get the Ask Larry Anything, which is basically a complete rundown of what's happening in the stock market. And you get updates like this as well. You got Ask Larry Anything, and then basically you get buy and sell alerts. So this is for trading US. This is basically Larry trading US oil. So when Larry puts a trade out, it will basically tell you the stock. So he's going to put an open position on United States Oil Fund. So we're going to trade oil because it's great. Great. This is a great stock to trade oil on. So basically this is what you're going to see. You're going to buy to open. The US open January 16th, which is the date. You're going to place the stock 72 calls, which is the strike price, and you're going to take a call option because Larry thinks the stock is going to go up and exceed 72, and for up to 320, which is the premium you pay per share in the options contract. So this is basically what you're going to see. And basically the goal here I don't want to go off topic too much, but basically the goal here is you're going to be buying up to 320, but basically when you sell the option, when it's in the money, when it's exceeded $72 per share for the USO oil fund before January 16th, you are basically going to sell this option, and the premium here is going to be higher than what you bought it for. So this could be free, depending on the price, what it's gone up to and how quickly. This could be $3.50 per share, could be $4, and basically for each options contract you own 100 shares. So just say if you sell this for $4 per share, basically you have made $400, so you've made a nice $80 profit, just for example. So basically that is really how the service works. Basically, Larry puts out options advisories and all of his different stocks he trades. You buy a call option on a stock if Larry thinks it's going up. If it's going down, you'll buy a put option. And Larry gives you all of the details and all of the information you need to basically buy a stock. Now, how is Larry's service performing? I think Larry this year is on an 80% win rate, which is amazing. If you've got a win rate as a trader above 50%, you're winning 55 to 60% of your trades, you're doing really, really well because you're making a profit. Larry is on 80% win rate in 2025, which is pretty incredible. And the thing is, Larry doesn't really place ridiculous high risk bets. Larry's strategy is placing small options trades on stocks that he really likes, where basically you might make 20, 30, 40, 50% profit in a couple of days, maybe a day, maybe a month. So it's all about making consistent, smaller profits consistently. But obviously there's going to be bigger wins. You can make more than 100%, 200% on a trade. But it's more about consistent profits and slowly building up your retirement account. And the beautiful thing is, this allows you to make consistent income from the markets, regardless of what they're doing. And the more volatile the market is, the better Larry's service is going to go for you, because options trading works best in volatile markets and volatile stocks. So crashes, racing up, going down, perfect for options trading. So I think it's a brilliant skill to have alongside your medium to long-term investing strategy. You don't even need to touch this. This could just be building up your retirement account and your investment fund, because you'll be adding consistent income, or you could use it for income to live off, depending on what you want to do. So that is basically how the service works. You got the portfolio of all the stocks, and basically these are all of the different videos you've got of how to trade options. So once you've gone through this course, you'll have a really good idea of how to trade options. So that is everything you get with the Larry's One Ticker Trader service. Like you say, you get all of his special reports completely free for just trying out his options advisory service risk-free for 60 days. If you want to join, I've been a member, by the way, since 2022. I love the service. I do Larry's trades regularly, and it just helps me to bring in extra income. It helps I can either use as an income or to basically put into my retirement fund. So that is Larry's One Ticker Trader service. I love it. I rate it 5 out of 5. It's a brilliant service. If you want to make income from the markets outside of your normal and regular income, week in, week out, month in, month out, outside of your regular investment strategy, give One Ticker Trader a try. Link in the comment description below. You can join for $179. You get a risk-free trial. I do believe it's 60 days, and you get all of the special reports I showed you completely free. So if you want to join, link in the comment description below. That's what I've got for you. Hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.